Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, which I have decided to use a couple of colors on just to spread around. Dazzling White from Art Deco. And Alizarine Rose, which is a Vivid Intense, I believe. And after this dries, I will be happy to add some black and maybe some other colors. And yes, I'm doing little V shapes because I'm thinking that they're going to fill in. So I have to decide now if I'm going to just do that. And seeing that, maybe I'll do more. I would like to have a base layer to a degree. To be able to add red over. And that will dry quickly so I can come back and work on it again sooner than later. I think I'm going to have a little bit more. Because the black will cover whatever I need it to cover. And I might as well get as much dazzling white pearl down as I can now. Try not to leave any big blobs. I love when it's mixed with black, it looks like silver. Okay, for better or worse, here comes the Alizarine Rose. I wonder if it's strong, it'll probably lend itself to being motivated to other locations like that. Got something in my paint. Needs to come out. And I don't mind little splashes. But I do mind those things in my paint. I thought they were on the canvas, but I believe that they're actually in the paint. And I like the resist quality, so I'm definitely going to do more of that. Right now, right after I get rid of that next batch of things that need to go away. Unfortunately, it has to be in the Alizarine Rose. And I'd like it if there weren't any more, but I suspect there will be. Like that. Makes me want to use the black now. I suppose I could. Might be more fun to do so. Let's do a little black. Or a lot. Definitely wasn't expecting to continue on. There may be other colors in my future. I think I mentioned that. I like making shapes with the black smears. I like the randomness of the black and the miscellaneous marks. I think I'm good for Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.